Online guest, am I audible? Sir, now. So server is started. Copy the address. Go to the browser. Paste it. Once I'm given, this is the main starting page. Sir, here I provided some heading, up-to-date movies information. Two buttons I can provided. One is add. Second one is list of movies. Yesterday I implemented the function list of movies. Once open this, one movie is there, but unfortunately, I entered this movie name manually. And to go to the admin panel, from there, I added the movie. But my intention is yesterday notes not uploaded. Uploaded. Sir, from here, yesterday go to the admin panel, sir. In this admin, I entered the movie manually. That's why it is coming to the HTML page. But my intention is I have to display one form. One form I want to display. I have to give a button, submit button. Once I click on this, now I want to store this data into the database. So I have to take the model form, not the normal form. Yesterday sample example, I'm given name and marks, same like that. So 70% application completed. Anyone completed remaining task? Completed? Boys always good boys. Yeah. Uh-huh. Sir, now sir, now I will tell one word for you. End of the session, you have to tell, okay, now? What I'm telling yesterday? Chapo, हाँ एक मछली अरे टेल ना एक मछली पानी में गई चपक हाँ I will ask end of the session this one, okay? What it is? एक मछली पानी में गई चपक हाँ हाँ wait. Sir, now चपक एक मछली पानी में गई चपक. Okay, done. Sir, shown now. Sir, I have to created forms.py. Inside, I have to implemented one form. Check this. Sir, in the test app, observe only there are admin apps models test is there. Forms is not available. Right click, go to the file, take the file name is forms.py, sir. In this, from Django, Django, import forms, class, movie form inside forms dot. Sir, what is the class name? Model form, sir. Now, what is the class name? Meta class. Inside the model name is, what is the model name? Movie. I want to insert all fields. So go with all fields, underscore, all. But movie is not available here. You have to import, sir, from testapp dot models import movie. This is my model form. ఏమైంది? నేము, రిలీజ్ డేట్ అవన్నీ అంటావా? Meta is the class name, not function. So yesterday, if I take this one, is it display the form or not? Display, not displayed. Displayed. Actually, in the previous example, I'm telling all the fields are declared now. Okay. But whatever fields are available in the model, we have to define that fields will be displayed. If you want to take the fields also. ఏమున్నాయి అక్కడ fields? Model. Release date, movie name. Now, instead of these forms, here forms, here forms. కానీ forms లో length not required. Hero came. This is the form class. Take this one. No, we have to create forms.py. It is not available. Manually right click on the app, take new file, forms.py. Inside you have to write. I uploaded yesterday notes. Please check the Google Drive. You have to check with the date. There are so many files are there na. You can check with file 1_3_2024 is available. Open that file. Every day in the file, I provided date. Based on that, you have to open the file. Template does not exist means you have to check your settings. Something goes wrong in your settings only. వచ్చిందా ఫోటో? పోన్లే. Settings perfect అయితే check the code. Maybe in the code, maybe spelling mistakes like that, something goes wrong. Then only you will get template does not exist. Path or spellings, those you have to check. If you want, you can take float value, man. I am taken integer field. You have to refresh. Sir, now, once it is ready, my view is the responsible to display form to the end user. So create a function in the views.py and send this form to the end user. For that, go to the atom views. Oh, list movie is there na. Def add underscore movie underscore view. What is the argument? Request, sir. Now, inside you have to create object form equal to, what is the class name? Movie form object dot created. But it is available in from testapp dot forms import movie form. Done. Send this empty form to the end user. The command return render inside first argument request testapp slash HTML file. Add movie dot HTML file. Create one dictionary, sir. The key is form. The value is form. This is the dictionary created view. No, చెప్తా. So create one template file, copy, right click on templates, test app, new file, add movie.html file. In this HTML, take the HTML code, percentage, load, static. Now, go to the index, copy, paste it. Now, I have to display the one division tag, alignment equal to center. I have to take the H1 tag, add movie information. Take the tag. What is the tag? Form tag. Inside I have to take method equal to post. Now I have to display form as underscore p. Now just I have to display this form. Server is okay, but URL is not mentioned. So I have to mention the URL, sir. Take this. Our view name is add movie view, add movie, give this URL into the index.html file. Index, you have to, in place of hash mention, save this. Now, see the server started, remove this. Okay, done. Add. Click on add, will be displayed. Because of I'm not using as underscore p, that is the problem. Go to the add movie.html dot as underscore p, sir. Come to here, refresh. Okay. If you want to click on button, one button is required. So come to here. Sorry, one more thing we are missing. CSRF token. Then only form is validated, submitted. Take one input type. The type is submit. I have to provide that the value is add movie. one button is provided there. Click this, refresh, add movie available there. I have to take a button class. ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ copy, come here, paste it. Now refresh this, button came. Sir, now I'm entering movie name, entering movie that is only latest movie hero, heroine, rating. Click on add movie. Movie is saved successfully. No, because in the views.py I am forwarded always empty movie form only. I'm not doing any action. Once I click on submit button in this, once I send one request, is it a post request or get request? Post request, because within the form directly I mentioned, Babu, it is a method, post method, where here. What is the method, sir? Post method. So based on this, you have to write your logic in the views.py. Now, in this, if request dot method equal to post, then create one more object, movie form object, with the end user provided data. How to do that? Request dot post. Then this form will be overriding the empty form. It is pointing to empty form. This form is pointing to end user provided data, this form. Now I have to do minimum validations. If form dot is underscore valid, sir, just you have to form dot save. Inside you have to give commit equal to true. Now సరిపోయిందా? సరిపోయింది. Save this. Now check the server started. Give the request first. It is a get request, will be displayed. Add movie. This one, KGF 2, hero, heroine, rating, add movie. Is it added or not added? Added. But data will be still same displaying. But check this. It is added there. Sir, here my requirement is, once I click on add movie, I want to go to the main page, starting page. Then I have two options again, add a lista. But once I clicking on that, I don't have clarity, my data is added or not added. If I'm clicking multiple times, it is adding only. But how to redirect this to main page? Main page ante this page. E page I want to redirect. How? So how I'm getting this page? This page is pointing to, in your views, there is one function is views area. What is this function returns? Index.html or not? Yes. So once a form is saved, come outside here, you have to return, call that function. What is the function? Index view function, by passing the request. Now save this. Server started. Now send the request, get request. First list of movies, 2 movies are there. Now come to here, sir. Click on add movie name. Hero, heroine, rating, add movie. It is going to the main page. If I want to list of movies are there. If I want to add, click on the add button, add the movies, display the list. This is the story. So views.py, this is the code, sir. The code. Now you can add. It should go back, everything possible. It is coming slash and it is retake. No. Then at that time, you have to use inside a form, there is one action is there. In that action, you have to mention your page. Automatic method is there na here, HTML file. How method attribute is there? I will tell that thing also for you. There is one attribute is there. Method attribute is there. Here take action attribute. Mention that page. It will goes to there automatically. Because of clicking on that button, this method executed. That is action attribute is there. I will explain that scenario also. If you want to empty form, last line you have to give this. This line you have to mention in the line number 25. Then empty form will be displayed. See, those are all things are based on our requirement. We have to use. Hmm. Suppose if something goes wrong, also I want to go to the main page. Then also it will go to main page. Data not inserted, it display main page to the end user. Suppose you are doing something goes wrong. Suppose you go to book my show, you are booking the ticket, something goes wrong. Directly it will goes to the main page, starting page. So starting page I want to display. In my project, after adding data, empty form is displaying. Because you have written this code into the last line, that's what is displaying empty form. Completed views.py. So now finally, what it is, this one, HTML code. About that CSS, all these things, if you want, you can use it. Okay, na? Path, add movie, use dot, add underscore, movie underscore, view. ఏమైంది? If it is not added means something goes wrong in your code. Satyaprakash. Definitely, once I submitted, it is added successfully into admin panel. Once it is available admin panel, then only it is possible to read the data. Where my code is wrong means how can I know? So finally, index.html, have to link that one. Then total small application is ready. So that is about the forms and model forms. Views.py. This is the views. This is the code. So end of the class we will see. So that is the forms and model forms. Next 7th chapter is 6 chapters are done, completed. Working with advanced template futures. And completed up to now. Working with advanced template futures. In that, two concepts are there. One is template inheritance. Second one, template filters. The 34th line, without this form is not submitted for website security purpose. Already explained CSRF token, cross-site request forgery. If it is not there, your form was not submitted by the Django. So template inheritance and template filters. Generally, you know what is the meaning of the inheritance in the Python. One class properties, variables, everything by default eligible to the child class. Sir, for example, here I have first template, second HTML, third HTML, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seven, eight. 8 HTML pages are there. Template 1, template 2, template 3, multiple templates are available in my page. So many web pages I created. But in all these web pages, there are some 20 common lines are there. Here I am written the 20 HTML tags codes. Same code I am written here 20 lines. Same code here also I am written. Every time same code I am repeating. Mari, instead of repeating same code every template, I have to create one main base template. This file is called as base.html. Any name you can give, base file. This common code, whatever code is there, these 20 lines, all are same only. Remove here. Okay. Remove this. The common code you have to write into in your where in this file. This file you have to inherit it to this one, this one, this one, this one. Then automatically code reusability will be increased. Just here only in this page, I have only 2 lines of code is there. Only 2 lines, maybe 3, maybe 5. The previously 22, 22, 23, 25 lines of code is there. I removed all the common code, make it as a one base template. This template I can inherit to this child template. Same in Python, how parent class, child class is there, same concept here also. But we have to inherit one template to another template. Such a type of concept is called as template inheritance. In our Python, we can use class, for example, class C with P. Then what it is? P is the parent, C is the child class. In the Java, there is one keyword is there, extends. Same extent here we are using in HTML language. Base.html is there. Suppose my file T1. T1 is your file. So you have to extend this base.html. Automatically, whatever code you have written, that code by default eligible to the child template. Such a type of concept is nothing but template inheritance. First one, template inheritance. Template inheritance. If multiple template files have if multiple template files have some common code, if multiple template files have some common code, it is not recommended to write that common code in every template file. If multiple template files have some common code, it is not recommended to write that common code in every template file. It increases length of the code and reduces readability. It increases length of the code and reduces readability. It is also increases development time also. It is also increases development time also. We have to separate that common code into a new template file we have to separate that common code into a new template file. Which is also known as a base template. The remaining template files should be required to extend base templates the common code will be inherited automatically. Inheriting common code from base template to remaining templates is nothing but template inheritance. Sir, how to implement template inheritance? Sir, first take one template that is base.html. Inside you have to write the body. So whatever common code is there, that common code required for every child template, you have to write the code. And whatever repeated code, that code you have to mention into the base.html file. Now, what is the block you want to mention into child class? Mention that block with curling braces. Percentage. Here, block is the word. This one, anything you can use. I'm using as a child block. And here you can use, it is a body block, a head block, any name you can use this one. But this is the template, any name you can use, that is I'm telling. Child block. Block is the compulsory keyword. Child block name any name. Child block 1, 2, because a parent class contain multiple blocks. Child is responsible which block, only that block you can implemented. Suppose parent class 10 methods are there. Child class can I implemented compulsory all 10 methods? No. Do you know there is a concept I explained, inheritance, abstract class, concrete classes. Abstract class means only some methods implemented. Same like that. Parent class contain 10 blocks. Child block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am the child. I want implemented sixth block. One person implemented second block. One person implement third block. All is not necessary. But in that child, this common code is applicable to every child. Now, inside you have to write anything you have to write here. Anything outside of this block available to child tag. Once open, you can close. Percentage, end block. Atla, in the parent, you define multiple blocks, but names you can change like this: child block 1, child block 2, child block 3. Suppose you want to implement third block, just you can copy this given to the child class. In this, write your own code. That code can be applicable. I will use some example. Okay, this is the way of creating. This common code is applicable to every child class. Child.html. Now, how can I extend it? There is a keyword is there. Extends. Extends. Single. మన ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది జనరల్ గా test app dot base dot html. In that whatever code is there, that code is applicable. As you don't want any implementation, only just you have to inherit it, just to display to the child template, whatever parent template available, all will be displayed there. So you want to implement block, copy this, paste it. Now write our own code. Here, child specific code you have to mention. That is the way. Extends means extends a this is the way of base.html and child.html files are. So in Java, extends keywords is there. Java, same here also. In the Java, how we are using class A extends B. B is the parent, A is the child. Same here also. I am extending testbase.html. Here, whatever settings are there, this common code automatically available to the child class. That is the meaning of extends. Sir, for example, see here. I also don't know anything about Java. దీనిలో ఏమనుందా నరేష్ ఐటీలో? సార్ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, in this side, what is that inheritance means? First of all, I'm opening naresheti.in. In naresheti.in, you can concentrate this only this part. This is called as nav bar, navigation bar. Once I click on all classes, this bottom page changes, those are never changes. But HTML pages address also changes. You can check it, URLs also. Once home page URL, naresheti.in. If I click on all courses, they are given a small URL. That URL is all courses URL. Page changes, but is it changes? No, but how it is came? They are created one template. In that they have to write the code. It is applicable to all HTML pages. If I go to the services, okay, URL will be changes. It services. Every day I'm using just now I'm using movies main index. If I click on add movie, URL changes. List movie, URL changes. Anything I click on, URL changes, but this navigation bar never changes. Check it. It should be always same only. Same look and feel available there. Projects, internship, careers, about. ఇక్కడ మార్చాడు. So atla, whenever this common repeated things available, then we go with template inheritance concept. Same previously implemented one small application. See, now my intention is run server. Just you have to provide base URL. Yes. I displayed one navigation bar. Mahesh News, movies, sports, politics. If I click on movies, don't change this part. So you don't disturb this one. Once you click on movies, you can do something, display. If I click on sport, display something. If I politics, display something here. This navigation bar never changes. I have 3 HTML pages are there. Check this. If I click on movies, it is pointing to the movies and it is redirecting some another page, but changes never happen in the navigation bar. Check this. This is movies information. Here any changes are there? No. Click on sports. Click on politics. So how Naresheti also, all courses, URL changed. Ikkada bottom page changed, but this navigation bar never changes. Same concept here also my concept. Bottom messages changes, pages changes, URL changes, navigation bar never changes. Then we go with what it is, template inheritance concept. Now I have to implemented this one. Stop this, clear the screen, go to our parking battery, Django hyphen admin start project ADVT advanced template project. Now CD ADVT project py manage.py start app test app done created. These things every day we are doing. పోయిందా? ఇప్పుడు close all these. Now ADVT ADVT project, open settings, installed apps, test single quotes. Only so many people are something deleted in the settings.py file. Some people are deleting, some people are intelligent people providing commas. Some intelligent people are removing these slashes here, static URL slashes. Don't do anything in the settings.py file. If in the program any mistake is there, we can identify, we can resolve. In the settings, if we're doing something goes wrong, no one can identify it. Okay. Sir, now, first one, what I was doing is, what is the file? Page.html. HTML kavalante, templates, static, CSS, test app. Same story, repeated story. Come to here. Right click, new folder, templates. 1 minute, templates. Right click, new folder, static. Right click, new folder, test app. Right click on static folder, CSS. Insert test app, new file. What it is? base.html. అక్కడ చేశాను నేను static. Right click, new file, advt.css. Done, files are ready. Go to settings. Here, create a variable, sir. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. One more is static. ఇక్కడ ఏదో పడింది మొత్తానికి. Template underscore dir, static dir, base dir slash static. This template dir give into the template dirs. This is static dir. You can create one variable. The variable name is done. Chapter is over. Come to base.html. Take the common code here. I want to go with load static. Done. Links bootstrap.com. Bootstrap.com. Copy this one. Sir, inside body, I have to provide that. Do you know navigation bar, nav bar? Sir, if you don't know anything simple, go to Bootstrap. You can ask, code will be there, copy, paste, change your headings. Bus. One day, take the nav bar. How the code is there? One day, they are given some small template. One day, nav bar, home link. Ikdi names you want to change, just to copy this code. Wherever names you want to change that names. If you don't know anything, but maximum, you know this HTML, all these classes now. Sir, now I have to give an now class. Class I'm given equal to, what is the class name? Nav bar class. Instead, I have to given some anchor tag I can provide it. Okay. Take the class nav bar class. H reference I will provide. This is Mahesh News. Now, inside I want to provide a division class container. Inside I want to UL. Another list I can provide that there. Class nav bar hyphen nav. Inside I have to give list. Inside I want to provide anchor tag. First one, movies. Second one, third one, movies, sports, and politics. So this is the base page code. This code I want to use it into multiple. Just now I'm telling you, see the syntax. Whatever common code you are written, you have to specify one block. This block can be implemented by child class. That's why after your code division, after division, this nav bar, create your child block purpose, percentage block, any name you can give. What is the name I'm given? Body block. Now curling brace, percentage, you have to provide end block. So once you extended this page, whatever code you are written, All these are by default eligible to the child. Just you can implement this block into your child class. So now, first page I want to provide load static. ముందుగా sir, now to go to this one. లేదు కదా, హెడ్డింగ్స్ ఏమీ లేవు కదా. Go to the views, because view is responsible to send this page test yeah views.py. Here def base view, inside argument is request. Just I have to return that page. I'm not doing anything. Return render request comma test app slash base dot html file html. Now done. Here mention one URL. Mention the URL. Empty I'm given. Views dot base view. Now here from test app views, server not started. Server started. Copy this, go to the browser, paste it. ఇంకోండి Mahesh News, movies, sports, politics. Now my intention is I have to create one more HTML file. That file is movies. Once I clicking on this present, it is pointing to which one? Hash symbol. So once I click on don't change this, just I have to display something message here. That thing how to provide it there. Okay. So first of all, you have to take the base.html file. Base.html. ఏది base? The base. Sure. Sir, once base page is ready, I defined views, I defined URLs, I displayed. Now my intention is, once clicking on movie, it is pointing to the hash symbol. That's why I'm not getting anything here. I want implemented that functionality now. Go to the views, create one more view for movie. This view is nothing but movie view. Here I want to give the page movie.html, sir. So HTML page is not available. Come to the test app, right click, new file, movie.html. General ga aithe, in this file, you have to write this total code. I want to display same look and feel means you have to copy this total code general ga. But I don't want copy that. Just to go to the movie. In this, take HTML tag, remove all these nonsense. Just you have to give curling braces. What we have to give? Percentage extends. Which page? Test app slash base.html. I have to go with curling brace, load static. Sir, here, what is the parent block having the block? This block. Copy this, paste here, write one heading tag, H1 tag. This is movie information. Completed code. Here only one H1 tag. Total code is applicable here. Mention one URL for your app. Movie view. Give this URL into where? Base. In place of here, give this one. Check the server status. Fine. Come here. You have to enter. Place the movie pointing to movie. Movie information game. Same navigation bar available, not available. Available. But movies.html, I am not written anything, even though total thing is applicable there. Sir, for this, the key, there is one H1 kada, H1 color red, text alignment center. Base lone, you can link it automatically. It is applicable to every page. This link also I'm not given page by page. Base law I can use automatically. It is applicable to all the child. Percentage static css slash advt dot css. Come to here, click on movie. What's in the center again? Yes. In movies, I'm not written anything. Is there any CSS file is there? No link, nothing. But automatic base page is there. Same settings here also applicable. So now here I want to provide a dot navbar because it is a class name. I want to give some background color yellow. I can provide it. Come to here, refresh. Color came. Now I want to provide a dot navbar dot anchor tags are there. That color I'm given as a blue color. In the list, anchor tags are there. Those color I can provide it as a red. Now come to here, refresh. ఇదిగోండి ఇవి రెడ్, ఇది blue, center alignment, only navbar yellow color came. If I want to click on sports, nothing. It is pointing to the hash symbol. So what to do now? Finally, go to the views, define two. Movie అయిపోయింది కదా. Second one, sports. HTML page, sports page. Third one, politics. Politics, ready. Pages kavali. Right click, new file, sports.html. Right click, new file, politics.html. మూవీలో ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే కాపీ పేస్ట్, ఇక్కడ కూడా కాపీ పేస్ట్. జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విచ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దిస్ వన్, పాలిటిక్సా స్పోర్ట్సా? Politics. Go to URLs. Define the URL. Sports, politics, sports view. Ready. Give this to base low instead of a hash, sports. Instead of a hash, ready. Total thing. Check the server. Server is ready. First go to the main page. Here, movies information, sports, politics. Every time URL changes, pages also changes, but navigation bar never changes. Same look and feel we can provide it. That is the main advantage of template inheritance. So ఇది base page కదా. ఇక్కడ I want to give movie. Next, views.py file. The views take this code. Which page you want, in that page you can give the link, no problem. Just you can give link means how to give link tag. You can give that link tag automatically. It is applicable every day. How I am giving, same like that. Views completed. So now movies.html. One HTML file I will give. Remaining all are same only. Only change is ikkada H1 you can change. All HTML pages same code. Only H1 will be changes. Sir, anyone having the doubts? No. Good boys. Chapak. Not chapak. Starting. एक मछली. So today class is completed. If you have any doubts are there, we'll clarify the doubts. Not online guys, offline students. Online guys, you can contact online mentors. So enjoy the weekend. Monday we will continue the session. Online guys, bye everyone.
Recording stopped.
Correct only. అవే ఉండేది